What's up, everybody? This is Mike from Slowspeed.
No, I'm Mike.
And
No, I'm Mike.
oh yeah! What do we got here? Can you hold the camera? I don't know.
Your birthday gift.
What could it be though? Fake M4 boys for life. Double Slat Black Kidney Grill. Thank you for the gift. Gift was free. Thank you so much. But now you gotta install it.
Get the crowbar.
Crowbar? You get no crowbar. You crazy? Yeah, take your two hands in there and just like kind of like, yeah. Wait a minute. Let me see. Let me see. See? All right, so we're gonna do it the proper way. A T30 Torx. Do this. You're just gonna loosen up everything. So
I can do it.
try to take the paint.
Okay.
So we're gonna do this. See, gonna loosen up all.
Okay.
All right. You gotta do this one first. I just did a little bit of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T30 bolts and 2 T25s. Just grab the whole set, like don't push it in when you grab it. Just you'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah, I just yank it out. Like no, don't push it in. Yep, just pull it out slowly. No, not the top, the bottom. Like put it on the bottom. Now yank the bottom out. Slowly. Trying to scratch the paint. You see how you heading it downward? You gotta go up. See how I'm going up? There you go.
I feel like I broke something.
You probably did. That's all good. You ain't making that. Look at that. Let's just put that up for comparison. Pull out the other grill. So there you go. There's a difference. What do you think, Ryan? What do you think, Cassie?
Nice.
So we basically got rid of the chrome, and instead of the single slate, it's double slate grills. Now this, obviously we got it on eBay. It's a lot lighter. It does feel a little bit cheaper. Obviously this being an OEM part, it feels a lot more sustainable to anything. However, I mean, it's just an appearance part, so I don't think it really has to be, you know? So you can go ahead and put it on for the viewers. I don't know, just kind of like slide it in there all at the same time. I don't know. Just push it all the way in. Just all the way in. There you go. That's it.
Oh.
Yeah. Now let's get a difference. What do you think? Oh boy. I have to get the diffuser. I mean, I have to get the front lip painted now. I have to. It's gonna look sick. Yeah. When I get the intercooler too, I want to get the intercooler and kind of like delete these front bars in there. I don't know how I feel about it. Like when I get the intercooler, delete. What do you guys think about this? Get the intercooler and just delete this. Like pull that out. And then, cause I'm gonna have VRSF written on the front of the intercooler. What do you think? Or Slowspeed. Yo, that looks freaking sick. Yo, I'm happy. I'm happy with it. What do you think, Ryan? So, can I do the other side or you want to do the other side? I'm gonna pop it out.
Okay.
So this weather stripping, you just peel off, it's easy. Take off the 8 bolts, dig your hand in there, pop, 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 pop. Old grill in the box, new grill on the car. That seems to be about it, right? Close the hood. Yeah, I close it firm. Whoa, this is not. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, I think it don't even look as good as it does in person on camera. Maybe it does it will when I'm editing it. Go ahead and fire it up. Nah, it looks dope. It looks dope. All right, just like that, guys. Mike from Slowspeed. Like, comment, subscribe. That's a quick grill install. I'm gonna try to put the old grills on the forums. Hopefully somebody pick them up. It probably sounds like 10 bucks, 11 bucks. What do you think?
It sounds like more than that.
Like 15, I don't know. Who knows? All right, we out of here.